I got the super grand. I got it 3 weeks in a row. 3 weeks in a row I got the super grand. Oh my gosh, I stopped it. Oh, that's what I came for. This is crazy. Bamatex here at the WinStar. This is the same machine that I hit the super grand chance on, and I put $100 in, 2-cent denomination, $2 bet, first spin, and I got a minor for $100. So I may not hit a super grand chance, but that's pretty good for the first spin. I literally was going to say first week, so basically 3 weeks ago, I won 1,000 on Super Grand Chance. Last week, I won 2,000 on a Super Grand Chance. This week, I was wondering if I get something different. So this is where I'm at right now. I got that minor. Happy with that. Come on, baby. All right. Keep it going. Super Grand Chance. Will it happen? Keeping it alive. All right. We'll take anything, but we want the super grand chance. All right. Grand's up to 11,000. All right. Will we save it? On the first spin. Can't beat that. Alright, let's see what happens on the second spin. Oh. Alright. Seth is playing next to me on the pirate game, and he got the bonus. Oh, come on, three more. Ooh, look at those numbers, 15 and 15, that'd been 30 and 30 and 60. Oh, did I see the super grand go through there? So I need 3 of those doors for the bonus. All right, Seth just got a $5 ball. Come on, 3 more. Come on, 1 more. Oh, man. Come on, give me a bonus. Yes. I was going to quit at 200. Seth got $51 on his bonus. That's good. So you playing $1.25. That's pretty good hit. Yeah. Oh, you're playing 5 cents. That's why. Oh, darn it. Three. Yes.
Yes.
Woo. I didn't stop it. I was like, patience. All right, come on, Super Grand. Now I'm asking for it. I'm getting greedy. Oh, another miner.
Come again.
I saw a mini and a miner. Oh, a miner over here now. Come on, miner. Do it again. And a major. Wow. Save it for me. Come on, baby. Ah, boy, I say them all coming through. All right. Yeah. $30. Oh, I'm still in the bonus. I forgot.
Yeah.
Wow. I totally forgot. Three more. Oh boy. Oh boy, come on. Oh, come on, something. Go.
Oh, Sando.
Oh, free. Oh boy. I totally forgot I was in the bonus. Oh, three. I got a little bit to play with, see if I can do it again. Oh, a $50 ball. Yes, all right. Seth, get you some pirate flags. Oh no.
Yes.
All right, you got him.
Oh, look at that. Too bad those wilds.
Right? Oh no. Come on now. Oh, I got the Super Grand. I got it. 3 weeks in a row. 3 weeks in a row I got the Super Grand. Oh my gosh, I stopped it. Oh, that's what I came for. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Says over here on his bonus, I think he's gonna wait on me.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I did not believe in this. I wonder if I can get the Super Grand. I'd have to get all the balls. Wow. That's just crazy. $5. 59,000 is the Super Grand. Oh, there we go. 59,130 is the Super Grand. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. 2 balls at once. Just get them both at the same time.
Oh my.
Come on, 2 balls. Oh, oh boy. Oh, come on. Wow. Come on, baby. Oh boy. 2 more chances. Oh. Will it be in there? Will it be in there? Let's go. Lord help me. Here we go. Boom. Oh. What is it going to be? Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Here we go. What's it going to be? Ready? $1,000. All right, I'll take that. Woohoo! Roll Tide. Oh my goodness, $1,000. All right, says in the bonus in the bonus. 3 weeks running, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Winner, chicken dinner. I didn't get the mega, boy. It gave me a chance. 1,009. It's gonna be another 40 bucks maybe. $1,055. Oh, I'm still in the bonus again.
There you are.
Oh my God, I keep forgetting about this bonus. Come on. Oh man. Wow. 1,062. Woo, $1,294. That was awesome, y'all. Seth's still in his bonus. He's got one spin remaining. Save it over there.
So you got to get a super grand chance ball.
Yes. Oh, free. Yes. Yes. Boom. All right, I got a mini for 20 bucks. Seth's still in his bonus. He's on 5 of 10. All right, we're both spinning. Here we go. Come on, another super grand. Can I do it? Super grand. Major. How about the major?
Yeah.
Somebody must have just hit the major. It's only a 501. I'll take a 501 though. Wow. I'll take the grand at 11. Doesn't have to be the super grand. I saw the mini. Come on. There we go. All right, Seth, hit the bonus in the bonus again. Oh, got 3 of them. Re-trigger. Nice. Seth just got the re-trigger. Only 5 in this one. Yep. But it's better than the 3 that you get on some of them. All right, I got 1 game left. Save it for me. Come on. All right. $54. I'll take it. All right. Seth's still in his bonus over there. Oh, come on. Save it for him. All right. 50 bucks. Oh. Oh, come on. 3 dinger, but it's just 1 ball each time. Come on. Let's go. 2 more. Oh, not 1, 2. Come on. Well, that's good. 3 more. Jack. Come on. Oh boy. All right, we're gonna cash that out, y'all. 100 bucks in, 1,300 out. That's a $1,200 profit. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless and roll tide. All right, I put another 100 in. Played $50 down. I realized I wouldn't bet my $2. So as soon as I changed it, not kidding, I got the bonus. So let's see if we get lucky here. Oh, that's good. 24 bucks. We'll take it. Oh, come on, something to go with that 50. No, that was robbed there. Yes, there we go. Come on, words. More words. Oh, there we go. Meaning, we'll take it. Yes. All right, if we get that last ball, it's $11,000. Nothing in there. Come on. $78. Oh, we're still in the bonus. I always forget that. It's a good thing, but oh boy. All right, we'll come back and get something else.